Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up FoldingAtHome on UNRAID so you can get to the WebUI. The first thing you want to do is log into your UNRAID server. Go over to Apps and install FoldingAtHome. The next thing we need to do is you'll see here that the WebUI doesn't work by default. So if we load this, it tells us what we need to change. In PuTTY for Windows, if you open an SSH terminal, you'll be able to go to the folder designated, and then you want to edit the config file. To edit, what you want to do is press the I key, then change your IP address. I already have mine updated, but I'll show you here. You're going to change the HTTP server, and then you're going to come down and change the web server. After you're done, you're going to hit the escape key until this shows command. Then you're going to type, you're going to put in a colon, so shift key and then semicolon gives you a colon, then WQ. That's going to put you back out. From there, we need to go back to the UNRAID UI. You're going to edit the container, and you're going to add a new path or variable. We need to add a new variable this time. So what you need to do is add the WebUI variable. So I just named mine WebUI, put in the key, and then put in your server's address, and then port 7396 or whatever port you you made available here. Once you're done, hit done. It will go through. It'll relaunch the container, and then you'll be able to click on the FoldingAtHome and see your progress in the WebUI. That's how you get it working. Thank you. Have a good day, and thanks for contributing.